We had a staggering break-even day with $38, $17 on the Bulenox account, the My Funded Futures account, $9, the first Apex account, $1 net profit, and the second one is $11. What happened really is I entered to a short position in the London stream, ended up instantly with a stop loss on Nasdaq. So after that, as you can see, we pretty much had a consolidation during the day. And here, after the market open, I entered a short, which took me out again. And it is what it is. And after that, I entered once more to a short, but I closed it because I was a chicken, but at least I realized some profit. And the Russell, well, actually the Russell saved me, but it was also interesting. The first trade of the day in London was a loss with the Russell. And then this is the new record, guys. I stayed in the trade for 3 hours and 30 minutes. But this actually carried out to be a nice winner, an R2. And this was great. Now, this trade was called out on the stream, but I closed it also early because I was a chicken. But this went to the final TP as well. So I do feel the FOMO. And yeah, this was something I have to learn from. So I'm going to show you the accounts, how I'm doing. Actually, I can do that right here. Hold on a second. Let's go first with the Bulenox account. So the Bulenox account is at $1,840 profit. The My Funded Futures account is up, like technically $976. The first Apex account is at $1,059, and the second one is at $166. But you know, today's lesson is if you follow a proper risk management, then you can still survive even after a losing streak. Yesterday was almost the same situation, so it's like crazy. But anyway, I have a little bit of FOMO, but ended up the day very good. I mean, break even is still a good day. So yesterday was a break even. Today is a break even. I hope that some big winners are gonna come our way too, but unfortunately some losses can come too. But anyway, check out my entry model at pip.ninja and consider to join the Discord membership. It's down there. I'm streaming for my Discord members after the London streams, and we're taking setups, talking about entries, stuff like that, educational material, signals as well, but mostly for education. Okay, so $10 a month. Check it out, link below, and see you guys on the London stream.